Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is all about DIY. As you can see, I'm using onion and aloe vera treatments for natural hair growth. So these two remedies are very good for natural hair growth. So I will be using my olive oil as a carrier. So guys, it's very easy and I just love the perfect results. So I'm using the extra virgin olive oil. So guys, we all know, let me just go back again, in case you don't know what aloe vera contains. Aloe vera contains something called prophytic, I don't know how they pronounce that word, proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditions and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, it prevents itching on the scalp, it reduces dandruff, and it conditions your hair. Exactly. So guys, I'll just go ahead and cut my aloe vera into small piece, and that's it. It's very easy, guys. This aloe vera leaf has been with me for over 10 days. I use a foil paper. After cleaning it, I use a foil paper to wrap it and preserve it in the refrigerator, which is really helpful. You can see my aloe vera is still fresh. Okay, I think aloe vera can probably stay in the refrigerator for over, I believe, 3 weeks. In the past, I have preserved in a freezer. I didn't like the outcome, so I decided to put this one in the refrigerator, and it really comes out great, and it really looks fresh. So let's jump into our onion. I cut the onion into smaller pieces. I didn't use the full onion, in case you want to know. I use about half of it. I go ahead and put everything in a bowl and add my olive oil. You can see the level of my oil, so they are just in the same level. So guys, after doing this, I'll go ahead and put my pot of water on the stove, and you can see my bowl is already in the warm water. Let's talk about the benefit of onion. Using onion oil on your hair on regular basis will effectively prevent and treat baldness. Onion is very rich in sulfur, which also prevents breakage, splitting, and tiny hair. It nourishes the scalp and improves blood circulation, and it ensures thicker and stronger hair growth. So guys, after 30 minutes of parboiling, I don't know if I'll call it parboiling, you can see how it looks. All I do, I turn off my stove and leave it to sit for a while to cool down for extra 30 minutes. I go ahead and pour it in my glass. My aloe vera and onion oil, I can use it in my condition. I can also add it to my hair mask, and it's multiple use, guys. I don't want to throw away the goodies, so I go ahead and blend it together and use the juice on my hair, because this juice contains sulfur. It contains a lot of nutrients that can strengthen, thicken, and make your hair grow very well. If today is your first time coming across my channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Just be part of this family. After blending my concoction, I will go ahead and use my old medias. This is an old medias, guys. This is what I have. I use it to bring out all the goodies, the juice. So this is what I'll be spraying on my hair, because this nutrient is really healthy, natural. It's 100% natural. Do it yourself. You all know the power of doing it yourself. You know what you are using, you know what you are putting. So guys, just keep watching. So in case you want to know, the juice is still warm, and I like putting on my hair warm water or warm juice, because this is really helping me. Using cold water on my hair sometimes is not really helping because I have a low porosity. So guys, I'm using my oil also, this oil that I also made from the onion and aloe vera. Guys, just keep watching. If you don't like the smell you are getting from the onion, you can always add your essential oil. You can use rosemary oil, which is really, it has a different smell. You can go ahead and use it, or use anything of your choice that can help you minimize the smell of onion. I'm applying the treatment all over my hair, and I'm going to leave it for about 30 minutes before I wash my hair. Guys, I'm not using this as a leave-in, but I'm using it as a treatment. So I do this before I shampoo my hair. It's just like a like I said, I'm still going to use my shampoo, and I'm still going to use my condition or deep conditioner.